Hi everyone, welcome back. Today we're exploring how NASA plans to build a long-term human base on the moon. This isn't science fiction anymore. Step by step, new missions are preparing for it. By the end, you'll understand how this base may actually be built and why it matters for the future. How will humans actually build a base on the moon? The plan is simpler and smarter than you might think. Starting with small steps. NASA is not building the moon base all at once. Instead, it starts with small missions. Artemis 1 tested the rocket and spacecraft without crew. Artemis 2 will carry astronauts around the moon. Artemis 3 may land humans on the surface again. Each mission builds confidence in test systems before anything permanent is placed. Choosing the right location. The moon base will likely be near the South Pole. Why there? Because some areas receive sunlight for long periods. That means solar power can work more reliably. Also, scientists believe there may be water ice in nearby craters. Water can be turned into drinking water, oxygen, and even rocket fuel. It's interesting, right? The moon isn't just empty rock, it may actually have resources we can use. Delivering the first equipment. Before astronauts stay long-term, robots and cargo missions will deliver equipment. This can include habitats, power systems, and tools. Think of it like sending building materials before workers arrive. These robotic missions may prepare the ground and test systems before humans step in. Building habitats. The first moon base won't look like a big city. It will likely be small and simple. Inflatable or compact habitats may be used. These structures can expand once they are on the surface. They will protect astronauts from radiation, extreme temperatures, and micrometeorites. Over time, more modules can be added, using lunar resources. NASA is also exploring ways to use local materials. This is called in situ resource utilization. For example, moon dust, also called regolith, may be used to build walls or cover habitats for extra protection. This reduces the need to carry everything from Earth, which saves cost and effort. Powering the base. Power is critical. Solar panels will likely be the main source of energy. In some cases, small nuclear systems may also be tested to provide stable power during long lunar nights. Reliable power allows astronauts to run life support systems, conduct experiments, and communicate with Earth. Have you ever thought about how hard it is just to keep the lights on another world? Supporting human life. Living on the moon is not easy. Astronauts will need air, water, and food. Life support systems will recycle air and water as much as possible. Food may still come from Earth at first, but future missions may test growing plants in controlled environments. Every system will be designed to reduce risk and improve efficiency. Transportation and movement. Astronauts will need ways to move around. Lunar rovers will help them travel across the surface. Some may be pressurized, meaning astronauts can stay inside without wearing spacesuits. This makes exploration easier and safer, especially over longer distances. The role of the Gateway Station. NASA also plans to use a space station called Gateway in orbit around the moon. It will act as a staging point. Astronauts can travel from Earth to Gateway, then down to the moon. This makes missions more flexible and may reduce some risks compared to direct travel every time. It's kind of like having a base camp before climbing a mountain, except the mountain is the moon, building over time. The moon base won't appear overnight. It will grow slowly. One mission adds power, another adds a habitat, another brings tools or vehicles. Over time, these pieces connect into a working base. This step-by-step approach helps NASA learn and adjust along the way. Why it matters. So why build a moon base at all? It helps scientists study the moon closely. It also prepares humans for deeper space missions, like going to Mars. The moon can act as a testing ground where we learn how to live and work beyond Earth safely. Like, share, and subscribe.